Hi students, let's look at this question here which is on vectors. Let's see if I can do this proficiently. So we're told to find a line of intersection between the angle between these two planes here. I think the first thing is usually we encourage students to change this to scalar product form. Okay, scalar product form is easier to manipulate in this case here. So I'm going to name this as pi 1. This is my pi 2. Okay, so anyway, the normal one, so normal one will just be taking this cross with this, right? The normal of the vector will be this 1 1 0 cross with 1 0 1. That will give us 1 negative 1 minus 1. Great. So n1. Then after which we have got so then r dot n1 will just be 1 2 7, the position, a point on the plane, dot with the normal. That will give us the scalar product form, right? So that will be negative 8. So plane 1 in scalar product form will just be 1 minus 1 minus 1 equals to negative 8. Okay, so now let's look at plane 2. Plane 2, normal 2, similarly, we're just going to take the 2 vector and cross them. That will be 1 2 4 cross with 0 1 1. That will give us 2 minus 2 is negative 2, negative 1, 2, negative 2. Oh sorry, 2 1 1 1. Okay, so the r dot n2, similarly take the point here 1 2. Oh, they both have the same point. Do you see that these 2 points are the same? Okay, so not an issue already. I don't think we need the scalar product form. Okay, great. And then this will be 1 2 7 minus 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 minus 2 plus 7. That will give us 3. Alright, so this case here, pi 2 is just r dot minus 2 minus 1 1 equals to 3. Okay, great. So what we need to do now is to understand that the direction of the plane, okay, these are the two plane equations, right? Okay, so this is plane 1 and plane 2. This case here, this is the line equation that we're going to find. We have to understand that this is plane 1, that will be plane 2. Okay, the direction of this line here, if we look this direction here, will be the normal and the other normal here, and 2, doesn't matter which is which. Cross it, we'll get the direction D here. Okay, so cross both of these vector, we get a direction parallel to D. All right, so that's the whole point there. So what we get is D is equals to 1 minus 1 minus 1 cross with minus 2 minus 1 1. You just cross these two. There will be minus 2 1 minus 3. Okay, that's about it. Now we know that this line here, because both of the points, both of the planes have got 1 2 7 here, so I can just line of intersection L is just 1 2 7 plus, do you have lambda? Lambda mu is alpha minus 2 1 minus 3. Okay, so that's how you do this question here proficiently. Any question or comments, please let me know, and I'll see you in the next question.